We are from an extra school and we show you 3 plays. The first is Christmas. Today is 24th of December. We need to buy presents. Hello, what do you buy? Presents of Christmas, lots of presents. Why did you not buy 2 presents for me? It's very late. Please, 1 cheese and biscuits. Have you got any cheese? No, I have. No, it's very late. Have you got any biscuits? No, it's very late. No! Have you got any chocolate? Yes! Free money is pretty good. For you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, the second play is called The School.
Mother, I don't want to go to school. Mia, go to school. I don't like school. What do you want for breakfast, Mia? I want an apple and an orange juice. Okay. Now, Mia, have a shower. No, I don't like showers. The dress. No, I don't like my school uniform. I want to go to the school uniform. Okay, get dressed on your bikini. Okay. Let's go. Why do you have my school bag? You're going to school. No!
Well done, very good. Okay, and the last play is called Ghost.
Apa? Apa ya? It's half this morning. This is the best. No. It's half the morning. It's hungry. No. Hello, Dobby. Please ask me. Get up. No. Get up. No. 3 minutes, please. You like it. What is this morning? All this of great flow. Oh, sorry, Caleb. Oh, sorry, Caleb. You and the money and the cinema ticket. You will let it stop its bone, its rough, its move.
Tony, why did you stop smoking? Why did you stop smoking? Smoking is bad.
Smoking is bad.
Well done.